See, at least that's what we would like to hope that it will. And we're just trying to see if we can't get this spring out of here. Come on, you bitch. Get out of there. There we go. Alright, we got our spring out of there. Now, here's what I don't know. This spring that I had that I thought might work, I think it's going to be maybe too small. Possibly. Let's take a look at it. So now here's the spring I was talking about. See how you got that long piece that's coming up? So now what you want to do is you want to get the small part in on the right side first, if it's going to work, which I'm still not 100% sure on yet here. But you want to get this, the small part, locked into that and then butted up against it. Then when you do that, you can take this spring here, pull it in until it locks into there. So you got to take the spring, you got to push it over here, or make sure you put the small in first, make sure it's butted up against this.